This is the Altiq Hospitality Power BI dashboard. Here it shows the total revenue generated, which was 2008 million, and revenue realized was 1709 million. Here it shows the highest booking city, which was Mumbai, and the least booking city was Delhi. And the Hyderabad and Bangalore had average bookings. So the here it shows the customer ratings which are given. 5 rating is given by 19.48 thousand people, and 3.54 thousand rating is given by people for lowest rating. Here it shows the room categories which was booked. Highest booked room was elite room, which was 59.51 thousand, and the least booked room was presidential, which was 11.94%. The different here it shows the different platforms of booking. So highest was others, and the least for direct offline. And here you can see the percentage of different booking platforms. Here is the main data which shows the cancelled booking and the total booking up by month. So the highest booking was in the month of May and June, which has almost around 50% of cancellations. Here it shows the difference between revenue realized versus the revenue generated using graph. You can also see the revenue generated using different rooms by clicking here.